Welcome to the final reveal. I wanted to give you a close-up tour of this nativity scene because photos just don't capture the movement or the sound. While you watch the water flow, let me explain exactly how I turned a few simple materials into this landscape. If we zoom in on these rocks, you might be surprised to know the whole structure is lightweight XPS foam. I stacked 3 layers to create the mountain, but foam on its own is too smooth. So to get this rugged texture, I covered the entire surface in a mix of plaster of Paris and white glue. Once that hardened, the painting was key. I started with a pitch black base coat to feel the shadows, and then dry brushed lighter grays over the top. That's what makes those sharp edges pop and look like real weathered stone. Now, look at the river. The heart of this build is a small 5-watt aquarium pump hidden inside the base. I carved a channel through the foam before plastering and ran a clear tube up to the top level. You'll notice the water doesn't just slide down, it splashes. I carved little ridges and steps into the riverbed to break the water flow. That's what creates that sparkling visual effect and the trickling sound you hear. Moving up the mountain, we have the staircase. This connects the wilderness to the stable. I made these steps by cutting thick wooden dowels into log shapes and gluing them right into the slope. The railing is made of thinner dowels stained in dark walnut to make the wood look old and rustic. Finally, let's talk about the lighting because that sets the mood. I used 2 different color temperatures here. Down by the water, I hid cool white LED strips under the rocks to mimic moonlight. It makes the water look cold and crisp. But up here on the bridge and inside the balsa wood stable, I switched to warm white micro LEDs. If you look closely at the railing posts, those are tiny LEDs glued to the tops to look like lanterns guiding the way. I hid all the wiring under this preserved moss, which also adds a nice pop of green. It was a bit of engineering to get the water and lights working together, but seeing the Holy Family sitting in that warm glow makes it all worth it.